Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play as the Hunter in L4D2. The Hunter is a formidable special infected, known for its incredible speed and agility. Your primary goal is to ambush unsuspecting survivors with a devastating pounce. This attack pins a survivor to the ground, dealing continuous damage and leaving them vulnerable to other infected. Mastering this ability is key to becoming a highly effective Hunter. To execute a powerful pounce, hold down your primary attack button to charge it. This increases both the distance and initial impact damage. Aim for survivors who are alone or lagging behind their group, as they are easier targets. A well-aimed, fully charged pounce can inflict up to 25 points of initial damage, followed by rapid clawing. Remember, a successful pounce requires precision and good timing to maximize its effect. For advanced Hunter play, always seek out elevated positions or dark corners to launch surprise attacks. This makes you harder to spot and gives you an advantage. Team up with other special infected, like a smoker or charger, to create powerful combos that overwhelm survivors. If your pounce is interrupted, quickly disengage and find a new position. Surviving to pounce again is more important than taking unnecessary damage. When facing survivors, avoid direct frontal assaults, especially against a full team of 4. Instead, listen carefully for their voices and weapon sounds to pinpoint their location. Use the environment to your advantage, breaking line of sight and creating opportunities for ambushes. Pounce from unexpected angles, like around corners or from above, to catch them off guard. Patience and strategic positioning are crucial for successfully taking down survivors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.